Good morning. So today we are going to learn about topic 2 in the unit geomorphology, which topic 2 includes the Earth structure and geological timescale. So we'll start with the introduction to the Earth's surface. So the Earth is made up of several concrete layers that differ in composition, temperature, pressure, and physical state. Sorry about that. Understanding this layer helps us explain various surfaces and subsurfaces processes such as volcanism, earthquakes, and mountain building. So we go to the major layers of the Earth. So there's the crust. So the layers of the Earth include crust, mantle, and core. So we start with the crust, which is the outermost layer of the Earth. So the crust, it has a thickness that varies from 5 kilometer to 70 kilometer. Composition, continental crust. It is divided into two, the continental crust and oceanic crust. So the continental crust is mostly made up of granite, which is also called the Cl, which refers to the silica and aluminium. Oceanic crust composed mainly of basalt, simmer, which is silica and magnesium. Characteristics include it is rigid and brittle, contains soil, rocks, mountains, rivers, and life. We go to the next layer. There's the mantle. It lies beneath the earth crust, extending up to 2,900 kilometers below the earth's surface, composed mainly of silicate rocks, rich in iron and magnesium. It is divided into upper mantle and lower mantle. Convection currents in the mantle drive the plate tectonics. The plate tectonics, we're going to learn about them in this topic, and we'll learn about the plate tectonic theory. So we get a more understanding of what the plate tectonics are. So the core, it is divided into inner core and outer core. So the inner core is the liquid made mostly of molten iron and nickel, responsible for Earth's magnetic field. Inner core, solid due to intense pressure, composed mainly of iron and nickel. The core is very hot, up to 6,000 degrees Celsius. I hope we are together up to there. So the lithosphere and the asthenosphere. So the lithosphere is the rigid outer layer, which includes the crust and upper mantle. It is broken into tectonic plates. The asthenosphere is the semi-molten layer beneath the Earth's lithosphere that enables plate movement. So we go to the plate tectonic theory. The plate tectonic theory, it refers to the Earth's surface. When the Earth's surface lithosphere is divided into tectonic plates that float on the asthenosphere. Plates move due to mantle convection. Plate boundaries causes earthquake, volcanoes, seafloor spreading. We go to the geological timescale. So the definition, the geological timescale is a chronological framework that geologists use to describe the timing and relationships of events in the Earth's history. Its importance include it helps in understanding the Earth's evolution, fossil records, and geological events. It divides the Earth's history into different eras, period, and epochs. So the division of the geological timescale is usually not that examinable, but these are the division. There's the enos, which include the Hadean, Archean, Pterozoic, Phanerozoic. The eras include Paleozoic, which refers to the first fish, insects, amphibians formation of supercontinents at that time scale. Mesozoic is the age of dinosaurs, Pangea breaks apart. Cenozoic, age of mammals, human evolution, current geological period. So the periods and echoes, there is the Cenozoic era, which refers to the present time. The modern humans dominate. So the dating adds history. So relevant dating, it determines the order of events without exact dates. Principle, superposition, cross-cutting relationship. Absolute dating use radiometric dating, e.g., example is carbon 14 dating. I hope we all know about that too. Those who are doing chemistry, you understand what I'm saying. So they use radiometric dating to determine the actual ages. Sorry about that. The Earth is structured in layers: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. So the plate tectonics explain the dynamic nature of the Earth's surface. Concluding the lesson. So this is basically the summary of this topic. So the plate tectonics explain the dynamic nature of the Earth's surface. The geological timescale is essential for understanding the Earth's long and complex history. Earth's history is divided into cones, eras, periods, and epochs based on major events in biological and geological development. So that's all. I hope we've understood up to there. So that's all about the Earth structure and geological time scale. And I'm going to end the lesson there. So thank you for participating. And ensure you do the discussion forum that I've given out. Have a blessed day.